Hivers, welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're creating a beautiful card using the Frames Flowers Specialty Designer Series paper. Also the Country Birdhouse stamp set, okay? Before we get started on that project, we're going to go over the buzzworthy business of the day. I'm going to start with our mystery boxes. These are the medium flat rate USPS boxes that I have stuffed full of new and used, all retired Stampin' Up products. I'm asking $30 for each box. Shipping is included in that price. I can only sell and mail these boxes in the United States. If you're interested, please email me at stampwithshawna@gmail.com. Now, if you want to know about the new paper pumpkin kit for August, go head over to my blog at honeybeestampinhive.com and you'll find all of the information about the new paper pumpkin kit that you can subscribe to get. You still have the Every Celebration Dies add-on that will coordinate with that. The item number is 164991. It's a set of 3 dies for $12 while supplies last, as well as bonus days. Bonus days is the promotion that's going on. For every $50 that you spend in the month of July, you will earn a $5 coupon to redeem in August, okay? So we have our card base here of Lost Lagoon. This is 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4. I have some, what is this? Early Espresso. These are 5 by 3 3/4. And then we have one that is 4.5 by 3 1/4. This one is for the inside. Then we have some basic white here for the inside that is 3.5 by 4 3/4. We have a 2-inch circle punch of some petal pink. I did go ahead and use our 2-inch circle punch to punch this out ahead of time just to save some time. Then we have some designer series paper. This is one piece that is 4 3/4 by 1/2 inch. Then we have 3 pieces that are 4 3/8 by 1 inch each. And this is one of the little like die cuts that comes in the designer series paper pack. That's why it's a specialty. It has frames and die cuts and reefs and everything else. So we're going to start by doing our inside of our card. So I have some Early Espresso ink here. And we're going to stamp. I'm trying to think which way I want to do this. So we're going to stamp a little flower in the like this, right? I'm trying to think. Oh yeah, it's going to be a portrait in the lower right corner. So we're just going to stamp that down like that. Let's move this ink to the side. I'm going to get some scrap paper because I'm going to do some coloring with my Stampin' Blends. Just some quick coloring. I have the Lost Lagoon Stampin' Blend. This is the light, I do believe. No, this is the dark. I want the light. So let's get the light. And I'm just going to color these leaves. I'm not really doing any shading. I'm just going to color in those leaves. And then I have some petal pink. This is the dark. And for the petal pink, I'm going to color. Is this the petal pink? Oh my gosh, yes. For a second, I thought I picked up pumpkin pie. So I'm just doing a rough color. I'm trying to leave a little bit of white on the tips there. And then I'm going to take my pumpkin pie. And I'm just going to. Oh, this is the light. I need the dark. Goodness gracious. I'm getting my pumpkin pie. And get in the, just on the bottom parts of the petals here. Then I'm going to take this pumpkin pie on these little buds out here as well. And we're gonna finish these off with the light petal pink, since those are not really sprouted out. Okay, and then we're gonna take the light petal pink and finish off these flowers at the top where I left them white. Okay, and that is our inside finished coloring. So let's go ahead and add our designer series paper. We're gonna glue this down using the Tombow liquid glue. Let me put this on here so I don't make a mistake if this paper is too long. Which it is, so I'm happy I didn't put it on the paper. It's just a tad bit too long. So we're just gonna cut that off. Then we're gonna add this to the early espresso layer. Okay, just like that. Oh, that's kind of crooked, Shauna. And add this to the inside of our card base. Okay, now let's get started on the outside. So I have this early espresso that we're gonna layer these panels onto. So I have them numbered because it was one sheet. It was just one piece, a 3-inch wide piece, and I cut it into 1-inch strips. So let's go ahead and glue this on. So I'm gonna start with the 2 outside pieces so we can try to get our spacing correct. Okay, and then so that's piece 1, and we need number 3. I'm gonna put that on here, about right there. Then we're gonna take number 2 and put it in the middle. Isn't that pretty? Oh my goodness. Okay, so let's go ahead and add to this card base. Right in the middle here. That is so pretty, just like that. Okay, then next what we're gonna do is stamp on our little petal pink circle, our sentiment from the stamp set, the Country Birdhouse. We're gonna stamp Hello Friend, and we're gonna do that close to the top there. So that is all the stamping done. And now we're gonna take this, and I want it to be on here like that, kind of like that, okay? Yeah. So what I want to do is put a little bit of glue behind this flower here, just at the top, because I want this. Let me see where I want this. About right there. Just like that. Okay. Then we're gonna get some Stampin' Dimensionals and pop the rest of this up. So let me get my dimensionals out. We're gonna put a dimensional here, here, and here. How about one there and there to keep those connected. Then we'll put 2 up here at the top. All right, let's get these backings off. And add this onto our card. Oop. Need my sentiment to be straight though. We're going to put that about right there. Oh, it's hanging over a little bit, but that'll be okay. So now what we're going to do is add our bling. And I have, I'm trying to think, should I use these? I had the the adhesive back swirl dots. I was going to use the petal pink ones, I think. But I was looking at the 2024 to 2026 in color shimmer gems, and the summer splash might match with that Lost Lagoon, and I think I'm gonna like that better. Let me get my take your pick tool. This is, I'm not sure. Yeah, it looks pretty good with it. I think I like it. Is that straight? You guys know I cannot get stuff in a straight line. There we go. Remove me and my embellishments. I can never decide where to put them, but this is the card. Isn't that cute? I think this is one of the sketches I found in the annual catalog on page 22. Isn't that cute though? Okay, you guys, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I want to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later.